As Windows 10 Home and Pro approach end of servicing on October 14, 2025, many users face a tough choice. Upgrade to Windows 11, which possibly means buying new hardware, or stick with Windows 10 Beyond support. Enter Windows 10 LTSC 2021, a special long-term servicing channel edition designed for rock-solid stability. This video is sponsored by cdkoffer.com, and more information later. Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC 2021 and its IoT or Internet of Things Enterprise variant freezes the OS feature set at version 21H2. Heto yung pinakamalaking difference niya dun sa normal na Windows 10 version. It receives only security patches and quality updates, so no twice yearly feature drops, so mission-critical systems can stay predictable. So designed to dun sa mga kiosk, dun sa mga mission-critical na machines for businesses, pero pwede mo rin siyang gamitin dun sa mga normal na desktop PCs. Here are some key features. So it has no feature updates. It skips every new UI tweak or built-in app change. You get monthly cumulative security fixes without surprises. It has extended support. Yung non-IoT variant hanggang January 12, 2027 siya, and yung IoT variant is hanggang 2032. So that's way beyond yung October 14 na cut-off ng Windows 10. And heto possibly yung feature na very attractive dun sa mga low-end na PCs. It has no bloatware. It omits Microsoft Store, Cortana, OneDrive, and most UWP apps. The result is a lean install, saving disk space and RAM. It also has better resource efficiency. With fewer background services, LTSC often delivers snappier performance on older hardware. And it has no forced updates. You can control patch deployment, avoid sudden reboots, or mga bandwidth spikes. So in order to get this LTSC version, kailangan mo syempre ng LTSC na ISO. So you can download that dun sa Windows website. Links will be shown at the description box. And yung parang medyo hurdle lang sa kanya is yung installation niya. Basically, magpe-perform ka ng clean installation. So you can't easily change yung version ng Windows 10 mo. If, for example, meron ka ng Windows 10 na Home or Pro Edition, basically, kailangan mong mag-clean install. Madali lang naman yun, magba-backup ka lang talaga ng files and basically, i-reinstall mo yung mga applications mo. But mostly, that's a very low price to pay for extended support. So, since this is a CDKey Offer sponsored video, of course, we'll show you how to get an authentic and original CDKey from them. This video is sponsored by cdkeyoffer.com, and they currently have a promo for their Windows 10 LTSC 2021 license keys. LTSC means long-term service channel with support up until 2027. This is great for users whose systems can't run Windows 11 but still want to go over the 2025 EOL of Windows 10 like small businesses, etc. Other benefits include no bloatware unlike the usual Windows 10 version. It's stable and lightweight as it prioritizes stability and security over new functionalities. You'll get extended support more than the Home and Pro versions of Windows 10. There are no forced updates. And it's great for low-powered systems as it is less resource-intensive. And finally, it's cheaper than the Pro version keys. Just go to this link and take advantage of CDKey Offer's back-to-school sale. You can also use our HS20 code for a 25% discount. Getting the key is very easy. Just head on over to cdkeyoffer.com, create an account, select the Windows 10 LTSC key, and proceed to payment. Once payment is done, the key will be stored in your account. This key will only work using the LTSC version of Windows 10. The links will be shown in the description box below on how to install it. So once that all is done, ito naman yung mga downsides niya. So dito sa variant nito, wala siya nung Microsoft Store. So, tsaka wala siya ng mga UWP apps, which is basically lahat ng modern na Windows apps. If for example, meron kang medyo bago-bago na program, kailangan mong hanapin yung .exe or .microsoft installer file para ma-install siya. Isa pa na mention ko na yun nga, kailangan mo ng clean reinstall para makakuha ka ng LTSC. So, hindi siya basta-basta na a-activate mo lang yung key and then LTSC na siya. No, meron pang madugo na process in terms of backing up your files and then reinstalling your applications. Tapos isa pa, may mga third-party tools talaga and peripherals and some, of course, for example, mga games, kailangan nila yung pinaka-latest na Windows build. Since this is only going to be stuck at 21H2, Posible na magkaroon siya ng mga compatibility cheche-bureche dun sa mga ibang files and ibang applications. Ang mga nakikita ko pa lang naman dito is yung mga super modern na applications and mga games. And if you're going to be considering tong LTSC, for sure naman, hindi naman gaming PC yung gagamitin mo. But that's still something na you have to consider. And finally, ito ang enterprise version and yung IoT version, mag-e-end din talaga yung support nila. Although medyo matagal pa, yung isa 2027, yung isa 2032, ultimately, after that cut-off, yun na talaga yung final nun. And you'd have to upgrade na dun sa next and yung latest na version if you want to get security patches. But in conclusion, Windows 10 LTSC 2021 shines in environments demanding absolute stability. Think point of sale, medical imaging, or manufacturing lines. It's also okay for everyday desktop users na medyo mababa yung system specs and kailangan lang talaga ng very basic na everyday driver machine. If for example, meron kang small business na medyo mission critical yun, for example, yun yung doon kayo naglalag ng mga sales, doon kayo naglalag ng mga inventory or whatever, you can consider this variant over the Windows 10 Home or Windows 11 na Pro versions because again, this is going to be cheaper and mas matagal talaga yung support nila.